Hi, John Wales here. Today I'm at Cabo Roig Marina here in Orihuela Costa Spain. If you ever get the chance to visit this place, it's worth doing. If you just come down here for a cup of coffee, there's a couple of restaurants and bars here, and it's just nice to have a walk along through the marina and look at some of these expensive boats and yachts. Things you could do down here, especially in the summer. You could do paragliding, jet skis, and I believe you can even do a bit of paddle boarding and that if you're water sports minded. Like I say, it's a great place to come and visit if you ever get the chance. So here's a couple of minutes of Cabo Roig Marina. Anything you enjoy about this video, as ever, don't forget, please hit that like button. Better still, you can always subscribe, hit that notification bell on the end there, little icon, and you'll get all of my up and coming videos as and when I put them up on YouTube. So enjoy the video.